This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Debra Degelormo. You will love the spacious, open floor plan of this lovely 3-bed/2-bath home located on a large corner lot in Grand Island, OAKS. Cool tile floors in the main rooms with carpet in the bedrooms and a tiled screen patio overlooking the privacy. Fenced backyard perfect for relaxing with family and friends. Country living close to all city amenities. Hurry in to make this your next home. For more information, review the details below or contact Debra Degelormo at 386-479-6407.